put there.
Yeah, stay here.
Good. Give
Here's my friend Albert.
hello. Your name?
James.
Albert.
I'm Niranjan.
Junjun ha. I call you uncle ha. No problem ha.
Yes. Hey James, my friend.
No,
And
Ruben.
Ruben.
I'm
Joben
Jordan.
Camilo.
Jordan, but just call me James.
James. Camilo. Niranjan. Niranjan. Barber shop.
Barber shop.
Tom,
Near in your
Barber Tom's.
Tom's Barber Shop.
Papa Moa.
Near in Carwas.
Ah, okay. You cut for me here, bro. Hey.
Maybe home service ah. You look like. Hey.
Are you ready your
Give it to me, my I have to bring photo back. as well.
You can give it to me. I'm here.
Saan daw tayo? Ba't mali? Saan na magbabayad? Ha? Saan magbabayad? Doon na. Bakit ang liit naman ata yun? Kasi 10 yun.
Inquire, pre. Inquire mo, pre.
Ano?
Saan tayo
That one, ah?
payment?
Small one ah.
How to made a payment pa?
Naman yung bangkaan niya.
Small one ah. Galing ka ng higit. Saka ng bid. 9:30 kasi ang ating ano.
Nag-ayos sila.
May restroom pala siya.
Cubicle. May tusukan ng 60 dong.
Di ba?
Alright guys, yan na. Good to go na kami, binayaran na ni boss.
100 niya.
Bayad na ni boss.
Hindi ko kayang iangat yung 20 kilos bro.
Garito 100 eh.
Ay, may landing doon, no? Mainit.
Diba? Kampong case.
Using Daiwa 5,000 series. Ano pin? 5,200 series with 5.6 ratio. And this is our legendary rod, Okuma with Shimano 10,000 series.
Very nice Ray. If you not send me within 10 minutes, maybe is overdue charge for extra $30, 300 each.
Must also remember I deduct transaction fee.
Overdue fee. And late fee too. Late attend.
Late at the parking lot.
An extra $20, huh, bro?
Yeah.
All, huh?
All.
Yeah, because I will catch up.
Jump on, guys. Jump on na. Right. Okay. Jump on.
Paurin na natin itong ating malaki.
Tayo boss, Reliance one.
Nice Ray.
Puro na ito.
Not even if we
Help
Emre, bro.
Ako, nahihilo agad ako. Nakasalamin na eh.
Nako. Tapos na. Mahihilo na agad si boss kami.
Saan natin yung ano?
Uncle John. Very nice, Ray. Very nice, Ray.
Very nice Ray.
Ano yan, pre?
Oh, Jobin. Iluin ka ba?
Minum ka na, Jubin. Ako ka na bayad.
Ay, kumpiyan
Sa sumuka sa dagat. Naka 360 camera ka pa naman. Very nice, Ray. Ito, Brad. Alin niyo talaga yan.
Tagahawak.
Tagusan pala yun.
Nag-fun.
Gawa daw.
Laglag.
Mababaw, pag matumba.
Di bali, hawakan ko dong. Basta i-set up mo yung ating...
Lawat, mga dodo.
Dong,
Alright.
set up mo yung ating pangawil. Hawakan ko yung camera.
Di, okay na yan.
Yan ba sa'yo?
Sorry, nakasit up na yan natin pangawin.
Ah, yung pag ano ba? Okay na.
Isang gina. Mas forward with that page,
Dong, hindi pala natin nagawa ng ano yung ano.
Alin?
Takip yung ano ba?
Yung tubig natin.
Ay, nga ano.
Tawag ng tagas yan ba?
Hindi, plastic. Pasaka lang plastic yan. Alin?
Chile.
Sorry ba?
If
Ano lang, lagyan.